Hey everyone, I've come up with an interesting topic you might have seen in the screen as well. That is content. You see content every day, every time, every second you scroll, a reel, a video. But what content actually keeps your attention hooked? That is a content that has well researched SEO, right? And what if you're a content creator, you're a business analyst, you're a product analyst, and you need to perform the analytics, but it takes manually like 5 or 6 hours a day? And do you think investing 5 or 6 hours a day into a manual work and productizing your day will give you results? No. You still research competitors manually, you write product content from scratch every time, and it still doesn't perform like you expect. So, what if there's an AI workflow that replaces the whole efforts that you put in and don't get the expected results? But yeah, if we prompt it that how I'm showing on the screen that here's an AI powered product research and SEO content automation. As you can see in this automation, first of all, the user input is taken via a form submission. Okay. And as soon as the trigger collects the product using the title entered by the user, which is you, a content creator, a business analyst, a product analyst, or anyone, and this is the starting point of the workflow where the process is initiated. So, in this entire workflow that I built, you will be easily able to go across the fields such as edit field. Okay, what is edit field? In this, the format that your product title, for example, you need to sell a product that is a course. Okay, you need to know what exactly the market is looking for, and accordingly it will generate the research. So it is a product research and SEO content automation, right? So the third thing, the most important, we put the webhook to the Google search and using the Google custom search API query to retrieve competitors' data based on your product title. What it will generate, it will reduce your manual 3 to 5 hours going across multiple websites, searching across multiple you know what we say multiple blog posts that what works what doesn't works. It gives you personalized search. This using this NLN workflow, what we do, we extract key information, for example title, descriptions, keywords, and I've built this NLN AI automation in a way that it completely delivers the output based on your product title, right? So here we see the basic LLM chain that is connected with Google Gemini chat model, which is the latest GPT model. So it refines and improves the content generated in the previous step by using Google Gemini to enhance its quality and engagement. So, what are the two factors that a product's content SEO is basically requiring? Is that first is engagement. Second, what we see is the quality, right? It matters. And the seventh step, it splits the generated content into two sections, that is SEO metadata and product content, organizing the output in clearly defined sections for easy use. So, end user goal is specifically what the code formatting, that is seventh step, is doing. And the final output is the Google Sheet. A Google Sheet is easily readable document where you can find your products a listing in the columns, and the columns basically is showing you that how it's easy to store, access, and track the generated information. You see whole research, which could have taken like 5 to 6 hours of yours of a whole day, and now you're just getting it in 5 to 6 minutes. So replacing those 5 to 6 hours into 5 to 6 minutes is what is the work of AI automation, right? So I'll keep you updated like the most of the N10 automations that we are doing, and if you like are not able to see my face, right? Since I don't know why, you can just go check out my channel. You'll see more of my content, more of what we do, and yeah, the most important thing that I wanted to show. Okay, what we saw was the first scenario, and what it actually helps with is that organic content. The market is not looking for just ads; it's looking for organic content. Okay, the N10 automation, even if it's like an automation, you're thinking that, oh, it will not be able to generate my personalized research. I want a research which is traditionally done or done by humans. I want a human in the loop. But the new era is entirely breaking your manual into AI, right? And it is actually implementing sentiment analysis. It provides storytelling, content marketing. So, this is one of those systems that quietly removes your hours of manual work. Once you have it, you don't really go back. Okay? So, with this, if you feel you need to learn more about this, do comment. You can reach out to us via our communities. That is linked in the description and even in the bio. So, yeah, let's meet with some of the new automations and some of the new techniques